All right, to start this recipe, we are going to cut 3 tomatoes just like this. You can use thicker slices. They don't have to be thin. Now I'm going to use a spoon and I'm going to scoop out the core of the tomato. What I love about this recipe is it means that you're never going to throw away this part of your tomato ever again. All right, I'm just going to chop up the core just like this. And once it's all chopped up nice and fine, I'm going to add this into a bowl. I like to use my bench scraper for this part, just like this. Now I'm going to add some fine herbs. Add as much as you like. And I'm going to add 2 eggs. I'm also going to add a teaspoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of flour as well. All right, once this is all added, we're going to mix this up really, really well. Our flour needs to dissolve into the egg. Just like that. All right, now that this is all mixed up and looking great, I'm going to take this mixture and I'm going to pour it into a little pitcher. Perfect. Now I'm just going to take this, put it to the side, and start the second step of our recipe. All right, I'm taking some oil and I'm going to drizzle it on a frying pan. I'm using a brush to help me with this part. It can't be a makeup brush. It must be a kitchen brush. Okay, now I've got our tomato slices from before, and I'm going to lay them onto the pan. I suggest turning your heat to low because we don't want our tomatoes to burn. Okay, I'm going to let my pan heat up a little bit. Okay, our oil is hot. Now I'm going to take our mixture from before, our pitcher, and I'm going to pour them into the tomatoes just like this. This is such a beautiful recipe. I just love how it looks. And it's so good to make as a snack as well. Okay, now that we have added our mixture to all of our tomatoes, we are going to wait for everything to cook on one side. I'll add a lid as well. Okay, now that everything is fried on one side, I'm going to turn our tomatoes over using a spatula, and we're going to fry the other side. Oh my goodness, look at that golden color. These are so beautiful. They're going to taste so good. All right, everything should be fried like that. And this is actually a really fast, amazing recipe to make at home. You probably have all of these ingredients already. Looks so good. Hope you make it at home too.